What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another late vlog. Me and Zay ordered Domino's, you guys. The girls already ate before they went to bed, but we are definitely going to be saving some of this pizza. This is an extra large pizza, so I don't think me and Zay will be eating all this. So the girls will have some tomorrow, but we're going to enjoy this pizza and watch TV. Yeah. Moo is woke, y'all. She probably smells the pizza. But I don't know what's all on here. I know it looks like ham, pepperoni, sausage, and I think that's probably it. Yeah. It smells really good. And it looks really crispy. We're gonna come back. Pause it real quick.
You ready?
Can you get it? Whoa. That's a huge piece of pizza.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Oh my god, ain't nothing like Domino's.
Look how just moist that looks. Ten out of 10?
Yes. See you in the next clip.
Damn.
Don't tell me it's stuck on that screen.
Hi, you guys.
Yeah, well, what you think about that pizza?
That pizza? Oh, that pizza was banging. That pizza was so good, y'all. If you guys have not had Domino's, you guys need to go try Domino's. I don't care what pizza you get from Domino's. All of their pizza is literally amazing.
Tell me what's your favorite top pieces from Domino?
My favorite toppings?
Yeah.
Or my top pizza?
Your top pizza.
The Hawaiian. I think the one we got before with the buffalo and the onions on the pizza. That one's banging. That's the best one. And then I want to try the Hawaiian one, but I think that's gonna be really good too, though. I haven't tried it yet. And then the one we had last night, I think those were the only ones we really ever had, cause that's the only go-to we ever got from Domino's.
Yeah.
So yeah, I feel like, but I want to try all Domino's pizza because they're all so good. I feel like it, or they will be so good. But yeah. Anyways, it's $3.43.
Show it.
Okay. $3.43.
Hold on. Put it back up there.
3.
There we go.
Hey, should I show them my wallpaper?
If you want to.
Okay, y'all. Look, so I made this wallpaper, y'all. Okay, I got an X up. Sorry. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay positive. Keep pushing forward. Never give up. Look at my amazing wallpaper.
Bro, people gonna think we already got married already.
We did. See? It's right here. It's right here. We got married. Nobody knew, but it's right here. But yeah, so hopefully you guys stay amazing. Zay, how did you like that pizza?
I love the pizza.
Y'all, Zay, them pizzas is huge.
Yeah.
I never extra large.
Yeah, I never order extra large.
That thing was huge.
Yeah.
Literally. That the pieces in there was huge like this. One slice was so big. You could probably feel like a whole family with that if you just cut it all in smaller slices. It was so big. But yeah, so now we're just chilling watching TV. I got my pop. And yeah, y'all, we're just enjoying our day. The kids are downstairs playing. I had to put some long sleeve on them because it's really cold in this house. And yeah, we had to get them all bundled up. But good thing the snow's melted, babe.
Yeah, the snow have melted. So
hopefully if it can get nice out, a little bit nicer instead of being this cold, we probably can go back out soon and do some videos. At least me and you.
Yeah.
Because it still really is cold, y'all. It's ice out there still, but all the snow is gone. It's just icy out there. But yeah, so we'll be back with you guys in a minute to get y'all updated on what's going on next. So we'll see y'all soon. Domino's. Okay. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So hope you guys enjoyed that piece video we did for you guys. So yeah, the pizza thing was so good, y'all. That pizza was bomb. I'm not gonna lie to you, that pizza was so bomb. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Me and Zay definitely enjoyed that pizza. He actually still has a couple pieces left. But yeah, so stay positive, keep pushing forward, never give up. Don't let nothing stop you because your success and your dreams is the most important thing in your life right now. Other than your kids and everything. But you know what I mean. That's the most important steps you need to be focusing on because the greater the success, the wiser you can be, the more honorable you can be as a person, it can get you so far in life. So whatever it takes you to do it, because life is too short to be just doubt yourself the entire time. Don't sit here and take a roller coaster around and around in a circle doing the same old thing over and over and over again, because at the end of the day, you are who you are and you can do anything you want to do. Put your mind to it, dedicate it, mark it, scratch it, write it, draw it, poke it, stick it, stab it, whatever. Do what you have to do to move and get on with your way, and to be successful, and to grind harder, and to work harder, and to take your time out of your day to do whatever it takes for you to even get to that standpoint and working hard. But yeah, y'all, so the girls just Ray and Nora just got their hair washed. I washed Nora's hair. Zay's sister washed Ray's hair. She's washing Calvin's hair now, so I think she's gonna be doing their hair like in the next couple days before Christmas. So you guys, me and Zay have still not wrapped them gifts we got the kids. I have to wrap them, because if I don't, yeah. But so gotta get that out the way and get them on the tree, because soon Christmas is gonna be here. Yeah, I think Christmas is next Wednesday or Thursday. This coming Wednesday, Thursday. But anyways, we'll see y'all in the next video.